Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to prepare Adana Kebab for you. Let's start. We have 1 kilo ground beef. We put 1 dessert spoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, and 1 dessert spoon of paprika. Finally chop onions and red peppers. Add them to the ground beef mixture. Combine all ingredients with your hands. Put the meat mixture onto the skewers. Slide the meat with your finger to give a shape. Put the kebabs on baking tray that we previously laid the parchment paper on. Continue until you finish all the mixture. Add several green peppers next to it. We will bake the kebabs in the preheated oven on 190 degrees until both sides are cooked well. While the kebabs are cooking, we will prepare onion and parsley salad. Cut the onions into the slices. Then cut the parsley. Add 1 dessert spoon of red pepper flakes, 1 dessert spoon of smoke, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 100 ml olive oil. Mix it well, and your salad is ready. Prepare flatbreads as I did by myself, or you can buy it in market. Our kebabs are ready. Let me show you how we serve kebab in Turkey. On flatbread, add fried peppers and previously prepared salad. Add your kebab and your food is ready. Enjoy! For more recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.